It's been about a year since we came back to New Zealand after following summer for 3 years during our Walk the Earth tour. We needed a bit of grounding. And then after we decided to come back, I got pregnant. As expected, we followed the sun even in New Zealand. Now after 3 years of mostly summer, going back to Wellington kind of made me cringe, even though they had a fabulous summer. We tried to settle, we got a car, an apartment, and we looked over property over the past few months, but our feet got really itchy. Plus, you know what? Mike and I never really toured New Zealand properly, which is where our big news comes in.
Bro, I don't think it's heavy.
We're getting a caravan! We decided to make use of our weekends and holidays and enjoy our little donuts home country. I don't know if you remember, but we did an RV trip from Los Angeles, California to Orlando, Florida with some friends, and we absolutely loved it. Watch this space as we take you on our new journey of 2018 as a family. Have you toured in an RV or a caravan before? What was your experience? What did you like best? What did you like least? Let us know, we'd love to hear from you. This is totally new to us and we're just trying to figure out what the heck to do. Alright, keep your eyes on us as you watch us walk New Zealand. Well, caravan New Zealand on weekends and holidays. Alright guys, see you later from Mike, Regina, and our little donut. Cheers guys.